Found an old shelter in the woods. It's 2 Anderson shelters. Quite a substantial build in its time. Looks like they've used the original nuts and bolts and washers. Now, let's see if we can find a maker. Turn my torch on. In we go. And the maker's mark will be on the panels on the curve. In fact, I can see the remains of a sheep, which tells me it's merino. Yes, it's a merino. Okay, well these 6, because obviously this is 2 shelters, it says British brand, and there's a sheep, merino, and HO, which is Home Office. I know what it says because I've seen them before. You can just see the sheep there, British. You can see that? Now if we look down the shelter, this one's definitely been in the ground at some point, because you can see the line just there, here, of where it was buried in concrete. Now there's no maker on these ones. Ah, yes there is. There it is. And that's got Home Office. That R there, that's Roof brand. That's a Best Roof brand. So this shelter here, with the original nuts and bolts, can you see them there? Is made by Best. You can see the word, you can just see Best there. This one's a Best Roof brand, Home Office. You see any different ones? Hang on. Home Office. That's a Best Roof brand. Now the man has made a little stove there. You can see the stove. It goes to a pipe on the outside. Had a little window. Alright. It's well rotten. So there's 2 shelters, Best Roof brand and merino in the woods. Give you a shot of the other side. Just filming the other side. Here we go. There it is. There we are. And that is an old shelter, Anderson shelter in the woods.